Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Tech Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video. How can Mendeley software installation in your computer? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe me, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend a chance to watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let us start with how can Mendeley software installation in your computer program. Okay viewers, now we can start. Mendeley is a computer program software. It helps to auto write citation and bibliography in PhD or MS thesis or journal article. So now we can start installation Mendeley software in computer. First I have to open Mendeley software. It is Mendeley software. So I have loaded 470 documents in paper. Therefore, I have 470 journal or paper included loading in my Mendeley software. So first we have to write new Word file. I open this. So I have to write. I have to write Ali something, Ali at all 2005, Ali at all 2020, reported that, etc. etc. So it is I have to write Ali, but Mendeley software you cannot write this name Ali, only you have to write and go to reference options and go to citation, insert citation. So you can select this and go to Mendeley and write. You have to see Ali 2000 Ali. So you can write author name, that is search here, it is Ali, another Ali 2012, Ali 2015, Ali 2017, etc. etc. So now we can select this and go to site, that means site. Okay, and so Ali at all 2017 auto write, and then you can write reported that plan height was significantly, etc. So you have to write this, and now you can write reference. Say reference, that means bibliography. So you can insert bibliography. First you have insert bibliography. So Ali and etc. 2017 genotype by environmental and GG by plot, seed cotton, yield in cotton, journal Pakistan Journal of Botany, volume number, issue number, and that is page number. So what to write, and first you have one side. Again another author, write again insert citation, go to Mendeley and Babur, select Babur, and you can select site. So write Babur at all and reported that, etc. So write reported that. So what, but reference sections Babur already written. I have only one select, but another option you cannot select. Say he is auto select. Again another author, write citation, go to Mendeley, again Bilal 2015, and go to site. So and auto, there are bibliography auto. So it is easy to write citation and bibliography. So now how can installation Mendeley software in our computer. At first we have to need internet connection and go to Google Chrome. First select Google Chrome and write Mendeley and enter. So it is our logo, Mendeley software logo, that is Mendeley, and Mendeley for desktop, Mendeley desktop. So we can select this, download Mendeley desktop for Windows. It is Windows for 7, 8 and 10 version 1803. So we can download Mendeley desktop for Windows. Now we can select here, and I have already downloaded. So you can, if we exit the is complete, the download complete dialog, so we can overwrite it. So we are wait for downloading. So our Mendeley downloading, our downloaded is complete. Now we can open download option. So you can go downloads and program. It is Mendeley desktop, Windows 32 bits. It is very important, 32 bits. So we can open this and new box apps. Do you want to allow these apps to make sense to your device? So I have already loaded 470 paper or journal in my Mendeley software. So I cannot yes option, because I cannot change this option. So I want to no option. So if you are a new downloader, then you can select yes option and download Mendeley apps downloaded. Then you can use your email address and password, and you can write this operating option. So I think it will be helpful. Thank you.